Have you ever wondered how the rich get richer? Does it seem like rich people get free stuff almost, that they get more than they deserve or more than they should be able to afford? Stay tuned, and I'm going to teach you just how to do it yourself. This is Andrew with the Above Average Investor podcast. Today, we're talking how the rich get richer with a couple examples, how you can get a free set of cars for life. Not exaggerating, free multiple cars for life with passive income. Stay tuned. So first up, this is an example of compound interest. So when you buy an asset, that asset increases over time. When you buy a rental house in the year 1990, it's worth more in 2000, worth more in 2010, more in 2020, more in 2030. It's going to ebb and flow. It's going to have some bumps along the way, but a house in 2020 is worth way more than it was in 1990, which is also way more than it was worth in 1970. So if you buy stocks, they're also going to increase over time. They're going to double, quadruple, 8x, 16x, and it goes up exponentially. So you make a little bit at the first few years, you make a lot on the back end. So if you look at compound interest calculators, they'll show you that, which is really powerful. So one example of how the rich get richer and they get free cars for life is you pay off your car. So an example car payment is $500. So when you pay off your car, step 2 is start investing that money in something that grows into an asset, such as stocks or bonds or real estate or a business. And that $500 a month is going to be $6,000 over 12 months, over 1 year. And so you're going to keep investing until your investment is worth one car's worth. We'll just leave it at that. Whatever number you like for whatever value of car you want to drive. You then leave that asset, leave those investments alone. You can keep contributing as well, but those investments are going to double over time. The stock market doubles on average every 7 years. Real estate, which takes a little more work, or a business, which takes a little more work than the stock market, is going to double faster. Maybe we'll use 5 years as a general rule of thumb. Again, it depends, but we'll just pick a number for this example. So if you have one car's worth in your investments, after 5 years, you're going to have 2 cars worth. Next step is, so you just let that investment grow over time. After 5 years in real estate or 7 years in the stock market, you take out 1 car's worth. You go and buy a car and pay cash for it. You still have 1 car worth in your investments. You wait another 5 years in real estate or 7 years in the stock market, and that 1 car's worth has now doubled again to 2 cars worth. And so you're able to then take your other car, sell it used, throw it away, drop it in the ocean, and go buy a second car with cash again. And then you just rinse and repeat, and you just wait till your investments double and then go and buy a car with it. And you can really use this example with anything. It doesn't have to be just vehicles. It's just the compound effect or compound interest of investments doubling over time. And if you have the patience, I'm a Toyota fanboy personally. If you buy a Toyota and drive it till the wheels fall off, which might be longer than you even want to drive the thing, you might have your investment double and then double again. So it's really 4x, quadruple of your original investment. So if you bought a Toyota, pay that off, wait for your investment to double in real estate over 5 years, the whole thing double again. So now you've waited 10 years and your 1 car has turned into 4 cars worth of investments. You can go and buy a car now and you still have 3 cars worth in your investment account. So you can see how that's just going to keep And then when that 3 cars doubles, now you've got 6 cars in there. You take a car out and you still have 5 cars left over worth of investments. It doubles again. Now you have 10 cars. And that's how that snowball really works, and that compound effect of compound interest. And that's how you can literally get free cars for life if you have that patience to wait that first 5, 7, 10 years for your investment to double or even more than double. And then you just take that money out and you just let rinse and repeat, and you'll have free cars for the rest of your life. That's how the rich get richer. If you found this life hack to be valuable, drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear what you think of this, and smash that like and subscribe button. Stay tuned for more videos on investing. Thanks all. Bye.